Have you ever noticed a woman dressed in timeless clothing, turning heads as she glides through the street? Her look is clean, put together, and captivating. But here's the secret. It's not just her natural beauty causing all that attention. It's her style and the elegance she exudes. True elegance is something anyone can achieve. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to look and feel elegant. So let's get started, everyone. There's a common misconception about elegance. You don't need to dress in extravagant designer clothing to look elegant. True elegance is subtle and timeless, not flashy or loud. Which brings us to our first tip: avoid wearing too many logos. You don't need to dress like a designer billboard. In fact, wearing too many logos doesn't make you look more elegant or expensive. It actually cheapens your look. Elegance is all about subtlety. For example, a simple textured turtleneck sweater paired with wide-leg cream trousers, a slim belt, and statement earrings can look far more expensive and elegant than a flashy, high-priced outfit. So a key to achieving elegance is to avoid overly logoed outfits and instead invest in timeless, simplistic pieces that let your style speak for itself. Moving on to our next tip, limit your outfit to just 2 to 3 colors. Elegance is about balance, and while experimenting with different fabrics and subtle color pairings, keeping your outfit within a minimal color palette ensures it feels cohesive and refined. Too many colors can make an outfit feel busy and disjointed, but a streamlined palette allows each piece to work in harmony, creating a polished and effortless look. Using only 2 to 3 colors also makes putting together an outfit simpler and less overwhelming. You'll find it easier to mix and match pieces within your wardrobe, creating multiple looks with fewer items. Next, we have a very important tip. Swap bold sneakers for timeless shoes. While certain sneakers can blend beautifully with outfits, they can also be the make or break element. Sneakers are undeniably comfortable and easy to style, and I get it. They're often the first choice for convenience. But if you want to make your outfit truly elegant, a few well-chosen footwear alternatives can bring an effortless sophistication. If you still want a sneaker that exudes elegance, I recommend the Adidas Sambas. It's classic and timeless, with a clean design that doesn't overpower your look. But if you're ready to elevate your style, loafers are a fantastic choice. They pair beautifully with ankle-length trousers, instantly giving your outfit a refined, put-together feel. For a more polished, structured look, consider sleek, slim black boots. Paired with tights, skinny jeans, or even midi skirt, these boots create a streamlined silhouette that's both chic and versatile. If you're aiming for a touch of femininity, kitten heels are an elegant option that adds a slight lift while remaining comfortable. And one of my personal favorites, the ballet flat, is timeless and versatile, pairing seamlessly with skirts, trousers, or even casual dresses. And for warmer days, nothing says elegance like a simple, well-made sandal in brown, white, or black. These tones work beautifully with tailored shorts, neutral trousers, or flowy skirt, adding a light, sophisticated touch without feeling overdone. Each of these timeless shoe choices can instantly elevate your look and infuse it with a sense of graceful simplicity. Next, we have swap jeans for trousers. While an outfit can certainly look elegant with jeans, they often have a way of downgrading your look, especially in more formal or polished settings. Jeans can be versatile, but if elegance is the goal, trousers are an ideal choice. They bring a level of refinement that jeans just can't always match. That said, if you're set on wearing jeans, but still want to look elegant, opt for dark, slim jeans or styles with a structured, tailored look. Stick to consistent colors and avoid overly rugged or ripped styles. For a style that never goes out of fashion, trousers are a staple you can rely on. If you're starting to build an elegant wardrobe, a few key pairs of trousers can go a long way. Trousers in neutral shades, like navy, white, cream, black, and gray, are all you need to create hundreds of chic outfits. These versatile basics make outfit styling simpler and allow you to achieve that cohesive, elevated look without much effort. Just look at how a pair of well-fitted trousers instantly elevates an outfit compared to jeans. When it comes to style, I highly recommend high-waisted, wide-leg trousers. They create a beautiful silhouette, elongating the legs and adding a sense of elegance with every movement. But don't limit yourself. Experiment with different cuts and styles, like straight leg or tapered trousers, to bring variety to your looks. Trousers offer so much flexibility, allowing you to mix and match and have fun with different outfits while always looking polished. We'll link some recommended versatile trousers in the description below. Perfect if you'd like to add these staples to your wardrobe or just get some ideas on styles that work beautifully. Next, we have the fun part: use accessories to your advantage. When you think about accessorizing an outfit, you might just think of adding a pair of earrings or grabbing a cute purse, but accessorizing is so much more powerful than that. It's one of the easiest ways to elevate an outfit and instantly make it look more elegant and put together. Let's start with a simple but impactful accessory: the belt. Adding a belt to a dress can enhance the silhouette, instantly flattering your shape and giving the outfit more structure. Or try adding a belt to a casual outfit, giving a more tailored, refined look without much effort. And don't overlook the power of a chic blazer. Adding a blazer is a fantastic form of accessorizing, one of the easiest ways to elevate your outfit with a sense of smart elegance. A well-fitted blazer over a simple top and trousers can turn a casual outfit into something sophisticated and polished. Test out a pair of sunglasses. A classic, stylish pair of sunglasses not only protects your eyes, but also adds a layer of mystery and elegance to any look. Now remember how we said elegance is all about balance? This concept is especially important with jewelry. If your outfit is simple and understated, try adding a bold statement piece, like chunkier earrings or a layered necklace, to give it a polished focal point. On the other hand, if your outfit has a bit more detail or color, opt for dainty, minimal jewelry to keep everything balanced and sophisticated. And of course, a stylish bag that blends seamlessly with your outfit can tie the whole look together. Choose a bag that complements the colors and vibe you're going for. It's the finishing touch that can make your outfit feel truly complete. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed these tips on dressing elegantly as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, a like or a comment would mean the world to us. We'd also love to hear any ideas you have for future